Showing a strong decision is proving how you actually made it. Most teams just state their recommendation and hope the judges trust their thinking. That's weak. I've coached 302 Haskell teams to over 180 podium finishes. The winning teams use a simple decision matrix to make their decision making process visible, logical, and clear and credible. This is the Tools and Skills Masterclass on decision matrices. Let's learn how to show judges exactly why your recommendation is the best choice. Decision matrix is a simple table that shows how you evaluate your alternatives against your decision criteria. Alternatives go across the top, decision criteria go down the side, or vice versa. It visually proves that you just didn't pick your favorite option, systematically compared them. This builds trust with the judges and makes your recommendation feel inevitable rather than arbitrary. Here's how to build one that works. List your realistic alternatives across the top. List 3 to 5 decision criteria down the side that are linked to your company's visions, mission, value, risk, implementation speed, or other factor. Rank them from most important to least important. Use simple self-explanatory labels. Score them using a binary or a go, no go, or a clear color coding, where green equals strong, red equals weak. Try to avoid yellow when possible. Binary scores avoids awkward questions about why one option got a 3 versus a 4. Add a total row to show the clear winner. When presenting, highlight the winning alternative. You can use something like a green box around that alternative and briefly explain why the others fell short. This discredits weaker options without sounding biased. Key tips are to keep it to 3 to 5 criteria. More just becomes overwhelming. If you use numbers, show the scale clearly on the slide. Revisit the matrix when you present your final decision to reinforce why the choice is superior. The matrix should feel like a natural summary of your earlier analysis and decision criteria. Decision makers make your thinking transparent and your recommendation much more pervasive. How to use a decision matrix to show the judges exactly how you made your decision to make your recommendation, and just instead of just stating it. This is part of the Tools and Skills Masterclass to complement the main 7-step case solution series. Do you usually show your decision matrix, or do you just state your recommendation? Subscribe and hit the bell for the rest of the Tools and Skills series. Cam Welsh out. Go make your decision process visible and your recommendation undeniable.